Good afternoon, everyone. How is your day going today? Mine is going a little bit different than I had planned because the sky decided to open up and rain down on us all morning, and I thought I was going to get up and do yard work, but no, I did taxes instead. Yeah, fun. But at least I'm done. Anybody else happy they got their taxes done? I'm ready to be done. So it's sunshining now, as you can see, and I'm very thankful for that. And it's really kind of chilly today. It's really weird. It's been nice and warm. But I want to take you around. I'll give you a couple of little updates on things that we have done and show you at least something I want to get done in case the rain comes back, which I think it's supposed to. And sometimes we just have to do what the weather tells us and figure out other projects to get done in the meantime, right? Alright, let's go look. Alright, so this is the area that we prepped the other day and got some things planted in. We'll see how things... Oh yeah! We got some babies. I don't even remember what kind they were. Rattlesnake beans are coming up nice, even there. I think every one of them are coming up. That's great progress. No straight neck squash yet. We'll have to go check on the ones out front. And no zucchini either. So little bruh needs some help getting the lawnmower going. Okay, you hold and I'll pull. You gotta hold it wherever I pull against you. You stay, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Why'd you have to break out?
We're gonna have to go get Mr. Fix-It.
Okay.
That's what I did.
It's getting stuck on this.
Is it? No.
You should film this one.
So you just unscrewed it in the...
This is loose somehow.
Huh. How many people does it take to fix a lawnmower? Okay, Daddy. Show her how to start it.
Can I pull it?
Yeah. Let me just get this back on. I wasn't. Look here. Look here. That's primer bulb. You have to push it in like this.
That's what I was telling you
I
about.
still don't know what that is.
You don't need to know.
Primer bulb. Remember.
This is the one that disconnects the drive.
So it's easier to...
Yeah. And this is the one you have to pull to start. So you have to have both held in like that. Hold with your left. Because I know you're left-handed with the finger on the right. Pull it and then go like that.
I'm trying to sneak and get rare footage of a child who requested to mow. Look at that girl go. She's just like her mama. We love to mow.